you saw for me. Which color will suit you? Babe.
Oh. Let's just wait for the boat. Why are you blabbing?
No, I'm...
Hey.
Babe. Why?
Keep quiet.
There is something there.
Why you want to poke your fingers in my nose?
I'm just helping you.
Don't help me. I don't need your help.
Babe, look at something. Do you like it?
If I slap you, I think your mind will touch ground. Nothing.
Ow! Why do you always behave like this? Don't you know we are in public?
Don't you also know we are in public?
I'm just showing you something.
Hello.
Oh, why are you calling me?
Yes, please.
Oh, okay.
Hi, it's Nana Coffee.
Okay, of course you're here.
You're such a beautiful lady.
Thank you.
Can you please be the honest to put your number on?
Oh, come on. You're with a lady and then you just saw me and you're asking for my number.
Baby,
that's not fair.
Baby, this is my sister. We're just waiting for a boat.
Your sister?
Yes, please. I'm just taking you to campus.
Anyways, I'm sorry about that. Anyway, hello.
Okay. Can you?
You said you're Nana
Coffee.
Nana Coffee. Okay. So that's my number.
Please, the name again.
Akusia.
I'll call you.
Sure. Take care.
Take care too.
Bye.
Wow.
Babe, what was that?
What was what?
You introduced me to that lady as a sister.
Yes, please. You are my sister.
Since when? Am I your sister? Nana, why are you behaving like this?
Why can't you mind your own business?
You're telling me to mind my business.
So when I'm shouting, you're shouting at me.
No, I'm not shouting. I'm not shouting, but what you are doing is unfair.
It's unfair.
Yes.
Shut up. I'm
Babe.
the man here.
So if you are the man and babe, I'm talking to you.
Russia, do yourself a favor not to call my number again.
Sorry. Sorry, I'm George, please.
Sorry, I have a boyfriend.
Like, seriously, I'm George. I have a boyfriend. Like, seriously, very funny. Bad is just introduction, like, I have... Okay.
Hey,
super. I'm there.
Hey, what did they worry you?
Bro.
Oh!
some nap BOA make my head a bash me. I swear.
Really?
Yeah, I just have some nap be like that. Usually, like if you sleep with no shit, sleep well. Now you check like your body they feel like they feel dizzy be like that.
You know what? I don't have time for this, okay? Let's go. We are in a hurry, bro. Let's
Bro,
go.
wait, bro. You say, bro.
Wow, what's up? What's bothering you?
Very funny and very interesting.
Talk to me.
A lot of mercy. Super. I don't know even how like I go start the whole shit, man.
You be mad, bro. Just me. What's the problem, bro? What's it?
Bro, I swear, the finest girl I've ever set my eyes on. Super. Make you not laugh, I swear. See, me, it's like me, I be womanizer. Where I know what I talk of, you understand? If I talk say like this girl, you fine, make you not doubt, make you not laugh, make you not mock say. I swear the girl fine.
You still not talking. What's the problem?
Bro, the girl fine. See, I crashed on this girl. I met this girl way. I don't know if she was in a hurry or what. Chama, be the like you crash no way in backfill. As in backfill no way as make her take give am no. Where I say I for be manners like I for be see that like make her introduce I introduce myself no where the girl talk say he game man. Like some stupidity like that to see. But then you crash, where all of a sudden like don't pick your bag, give you where you say now, where you pick your own thing. As you pick your own thing, no, whereas now I for gentleman, so make an intro. When I mention my name, give up no, they tell me say I was like seriously, how the girl find her? Hey, she be my everything since that day. I've been thinking like I've been dreaming of her, bro.
Listen. Bro, the girl said she's having a boyfriend, okay?
Yeah.
Just forget about her. You fine, bro. You fine. There are a lot of girls around. You go get one. If she's saying she has a boyfriend, just leave him. You don't go get.
Bro.
Leave him, bro.
Bro, me I get time for my, you know me today. Everybody they call me the Okumasi. I forgot the real name. George, they might be my real name, but for the streets, say if the Okumasi they call me when it comes to like you matter. I mean, know. Yeah, man.
But listen. The girl talk you see, she get boy. Okay. She get boy, so you for leave him. You go find one. What's your problem?
Bro, me one thing my life inside there, I don't like to say girly woman, you go defeat him like you go turn me down. What she do it be sign of disrespect to me for day. Well like at least common intro. Bro, trust me, let's bet. Me I go win this girl no matter what.
You go win her.
I swear. Where's the means with me? I go take with me. I go lay her in my bed. I go do.
Well, what? You don't know this vicinity, eh? You don't know. I need to talk to you. You don't know what they happen for here, bro.
It be like this. It be small. It be something small. Give me, bro. It be time. Me I get time for sure this. Why I forgot the name? The whole Kuma say. I own the street. Me have the street king. You know say something.
You know go get.
Is it I know go get?
You know go get. You know go get. Forget.
Funny. Like seriously. Super. You say no go. I want to do it. I no go get.
If the girl talks say she get bored, forget town. Of course.
So right now, no, like the challenge.
I challenge you.
Sure.
I challenge you. You know go get. Let's forget.
You wait. Right. You challenge me, right?
I challenge you.
You say I no go do what?
You know go get.
If be this particular place, you can't tap where we do that. How do you call it? Like this challenge and everything, man. Trust me again. Bring your hand again. I say I'm winning.
Okay.
I'm not a loser, man.
You are not winning.
Right.
All right.
Take the lead.
Let's go. Bro, you know go get. Hey, let's go.
Okay. Hello, beautiful. Hello, excuse me, please. Hello. Good afternoon. Now, please, you. Good afternoon. Do you remember me? I'm George. The guy crashed on you the other time.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Sure. You didn't even tell me your name the other time.
So, your problem?
Oh, come on, like, no, I just want to, know your name and, get your contact. I just want to find you.
Okay, fine. I'm sorry. I'm late.
You are?
I'm late. Let's go.
I'm just sorry for like, yeah, but then both is already tested.
Oh,
Very
okay.
sorry, okay.
When I asked you, you said, like, no, you're okay. I asked you, are you okay? You said, yeah.
You are very sorry.
So,
Okay, calm down, okay. Yeah, sorry, okay.
All right, okay. Hello, please, the dark girl, please. Yeah. Please say your name.
I'm Lizzie.
Oh, nice. Okay, Lizzie, nice meeting you. I'm Ken George.
Okay, nice pleasure.
Do you know something like, I just admire your sister. I just like her for no reason. Yeah. I crashed down her the other time and then she was rude to me. I just seek, for her number, like knowing her name, but she was very rude and I was like, oh, okay.
Sorry about that, okay.
Yeah.
Sorry
are you
about
coming or not?
that. Sweetheart, I'm coming. Wait. A minute, okay. We are in a hurry, so if you would come first.
All right, okay. If you don't mind, can I get your contact because like there's a saying, like there's a proverb that say who cast change and coupon you talk through the air or something like that. You feel me? Yeah. So like, if you don't mind, can I get your contact so that like I'll be calling you so that I can check up on her.
Okay then.
For I just left my phone in the house. Please, can I give you my own so that I can give you a
I
phone?
didn't take my phone. It's on low bat, so I left it on charge. Yeah.
Whew.
I think
What
you
a
are not
mess.
coming.
Sweetheart, please wait.
What a
Okay, wait
missed
for me a
opportunity.
minute, okay?
You something like you let's make some other time, okay? Your name again, please.
I'm Lizzie.
Lizzie, okay.
Yeah.
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too.
Yeah. Pleasure. First step. We move on to the second step. Manga to the yeah? You ain't giving up. I'll be leading. Whew.
Hey, dog. You haven't called it.
Bye,
Bye, like the way they come, I see you like you boss.
No. I bought because of the girl.
Yeah, I send you, make you go call my girl for me.
Yeah,
why you talk
that's
you?
why I'm poor, because what she was talking is unbelievable. I mean, she told me, oh, can you imagine this girl told me that the sun is too scotchy, so she won't come.
My own girlfriend.
I told you.
My own girl, where I send you to go call her for me.
I tell you. She said because of the sun, so she won't come.
Man, don't play this game. Are you sure?
I'm
Make her
very sure.
Wait, make her call her and see.
Call who?
I will call my girlfriend. You make her call her.
Why are you calling her?
But I send you. I send you go call my girl for me.
And she
but
said she won't come.
You can't talk me say like she no go free come.
So if she no go free come, what is the calling is going to do?
You just hold on. Let me call you. She don't pick the call.
I said.
Let me try another one. I wonder
It's okay, just once.
No, let me try.
Just call her just once. Because she will think. I want to leave. She not pick.
She not still.
I told you. I've already told you that she said she won't come. Look, the way she was talking to me, Grandma, it was annoyable. Because she's standing there talking to me anyhow she like the sun is too short. And I'm saying, mommy, me I'm Nubai and media.
Are you for sure? You don't talk in the harsh way. Me and my girlfriend talk in the harsh way.
It's not the harsh way, star way. You talk me in the star way and the same time harsh way.
This girl. What is wrong with this girl?
I don't know what is happening.
You know what? I trust you.
Yeah.
I trust you. I trust you. But I know you are. I go bail him later.
Okay.
I go talk him. Well. Okay. When I send away, you go feel tell you say you know go feel calm with it. Like
if you go, don't tell her anything about me.
Why wouldn't I?
Don't mention it because she has done it already, and I have forgiven her already.
No. But yes, still I have to talk him.
No.
Should I have to talk to her harsh way?
No. It's my own fault that going to her place in a scrawny sign.
No
so
problem.
No.
Let me give you something.
I was about to say it, but
Let me
you know
give you
it.
something.
This time I run blue.
But you want red?
No problem. I like it.
Man, I go stop.
Anyone.
I go stop.
I like it, man. Even it's red. One wants to cry. I like it.
For relax for me. Okay, I want to give you something because of I sent you.
Yeah.
But they want.
Necessary.
If you want brown, go for brown.
No, the Christian is because the new ones is. I want the new 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Take this one.
11. How much will be 11?
I said take this one.
I see this 11.
So.
And that's why I'm 11 something. We of 5 city. It's 11. It will be like 11 will be like 50 CD and 5 CD.
But
don't worry.
If you don't worry,
I like it, man.
Why they do this?
A poor man with a harsh heart. When you
take my money from you, no shit.
That's how.
I won't take this one, give them back. The way they do, no, like I go chop my money back.
No, don't chop your money. Give it to
you.
Her.
Next time, next time, better life.
Thank you, bro. It will take a fat. So my man come po hundi yeni 2 every 1 2 3 4 5 let me go to the fufu joint.
I said it. I knew it was going to happen. Yeah.
Yo. Why did you laugh?
Pablo Escobar.
Why? You guys have money, Diana.
Pablo, look, I tell you something. This life, you forget Vim. See, everything way they do, Pablo attached Vim to it. I swear, it will happen. I mean that with the way I talk, you say, I see some sure they be. Way they give me attitude, like they flex me and stuff. Like he always rude. When I tell you, say like it be steps, it be process. Me I go procedure, me I go process some. Pablo, you know say the shoddy me that I know be today. With the click, with the vibe, ask me to talk right now, bro.
No, wait. So you want to try tell me the like has he accepted?
Chawan, Pablo, make us out there, make us out hunting.
Come for there! You didn't have the key.
Listen, I'm not done yet though. As I come out my eye, know how I feel, now I bet maybe for doing inside though. Where I turn up, no, where I open my eye now, I say, hey, we do. I say, hey, but then it will surely happen. So maybe like if for doing inside though, hey, when they get with this smooch, she did like she did my body inside where we feel like when I body. Charlie, Pablo, I saw this life, everything they do behind there, if I add them to it, man them, it go sauce. Hi. They should be fine, I swear. Hey, in complexion, like how much the body is. Hey, Pablo, I swear. Hey, this girl here, I said it.
All for dream inside.
All for dream inside, bro. Pablo, all for dream inside. Hey.
Do you know, say, your case will be a foolish pa. You are far foolish.
Say, you don't fall in love before. You don't know.
You fool dread.
Say.
So all the things where they talk me, it be dream.
Every dream matter they talking you.
This boy fool.
Say, oh Pablo, why you don't begin staying?
No, I think say the guy has accepted you and you are.
Nah. If you dream matter they talking. Hey, I imagine right now with the how now with deep and now with the smooch now. Hey, I feel, bro. I feel, bro.
You know what? Let me tell you something. You see the last time what I told you.
Yeah.
There's no way that fine girl. There's no way.
Say
you go get her.
What but damn you mother? Hey,
me.
Nah, listen, nah, bro. Nah, this one be joke. Hey, man.
Hold my cap.
Hold
my cap. Make
nah, listen, bro.
Hold my cap. Make her laugh small.
Hey Pablo, I don't be kidding give you. Hey, you go be steady. Hey Pablo, hey. No, make no fool. I swear. See. Me if you be person will not get him like if you not get that I can do spirit heart, make you not follow me. I swear. Why he be just Ludumas? Why he be not the body or to DK?
Look,
I say I go win them. And the times the gospel truth, if you can say what? Anytime they dance for the dreams and me down there, I saw it will happen live. Even the Bible they say like everything they see for the dream inside, no, surely they come. See, stupidity. See stupidity. You are saying, I said to say like
you know what? Hey, it be dream. Forget it. How many people now could be and they are also saying, bro, forget them.
Pablo, make I tell you, see, me, I no be loser. I swear. In my lifetime, I no be loser. I no lose before. And I'm going to say, what to do, no, I will give up. Me, I no give up before for life. I make I tell you, hey, your mother, hey, Pablo. Me, if you know say like this way, you go do give me then you go do you see me a pass. Mr. Chelsea say, yeah, you too.
Hey,
boy,
this boy fool.
The girl has suicide go win them for sure. Trust me, believe it, man. Got yeah.
What about that? Now say, oh, lacha, say, dream. What me ko di banku timi do oba ya kwa adwendwin mu.